Welcome to the reading for this week. I trust you all are well and have chosen one card among the three. The reading is absolutely not a coincidence. If you are watching this video today, the universe is directly speaking to you through me. None of these readings are from me, they are only a product of what the universe is giving you. I'm divinely guided as a medium to give you these readings. But before that, subscribe to our channel Ashwini Chube on YouTube, follow my page Ashwini Chube Official on Facebook, and to follow and get more readings, subscribe to our Instagram channel unicorn_insight. I hope by now you have chosen one card. If not, take a moment, take a deep breath and choose a card among the cards 1, 2 and 3. The cards are from the Magical Unicorn Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. Take a deep breath, think of a question and choose one of these 3 cards. You cannot go wrong. So if you have chosen card number 1, the message for you is love heals fear. We live in a world where there is so much fear which has been taught to us since we were born. But remember, no matter what, love always is bigger than fear. The power of love can help you heal any of the insecurities within you. Whenever you feel fearful, put a hand on your heart and trust that you are divinely protected and guided by the unconditional love of the universe on you. The unicorns wish to tell you that no matter what is happening, you are being protected by the universal love of God and of all those who act as God and who are protecting you with the power of love. That is a message for card number 1. And if you chose card number 2, the message for you is imagine. Remember, we do not conjure imagination, but imagination is the universe speaking through you. Whenever you are imagining something, it is not what your mind is making up, but it is what the universe is making up, or the universe is sending a message to you. What you see, what you visualize, comes true. So you would rather choose something to imagine which acts in your highest interest. Look at solutions, look at visualizations, look at creating the wonderful things in life. When you hold a thought for 17 minutes, you're automatically manifesting it. So today, close your eyes, put a hand on your heart and imagine exactly what you would like to see in your life. The unicorns and angels are with you now and they will make sure they make that imagination come true. Choose wisely. That's card number 2. Finally, if you chose card number 3, the message for you is try something new. In this time where you have given some excess time because you are not traveling to work, not commuting to work, you are definitely choosing to save some time. So make the best of this time. Every day after your work hours, devote some time to your hobby, to something you love, probably starting a side hustle. Don't worry. The unicorns and angels are there with you and they will make sure you definitely work on something you would like to try. Only when you know something you want to do and only when you try, it will come to fruition. This was card number 3 for you. I hope you liked today's reading. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about my work, log on to www.unicorninsight.com. Thank you.